Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar and many more. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USD and Canadian dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar for 12 March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 12 March only. You'll be seeing me again on Monday with the analysis for Monday. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. You can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So right now we can see that market is trading at 1.2559. Okay, so this right now market is trading here. So you can see that I have drawn two lines on the market on the chart. Sorry. Let me take out the pencil. So the first level that we need to look for is this is the level number 1. Okay. So just wait for the market to come down to this particular price level. So if market comes down to this particular price level, just observe how the price reacts. Okay, and how the price does. If you see that okay, market is not ready to go down further. Okay, so if you get some price reversal sign from below, okay, uh, price reversal like this, like uh, like this. Okay, I mean I'm talking about a hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, if you see a hammer kind of a pattern or a big bullish candle like this, then that is a sign that the market is about to reverse from here, or it's a bounce. Market will bounce from here. So in that case you can go ahead and buy here. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level with good amount of volume, if you see that the selling pressure is too high, you can short the market here. Just wait for 1 hour. Okay, just wait for 1 or 2 hours and just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that okay, the selling pressure is too high, the sellers are dominating the market, okay, the support has become the resistance, okay, then you can go ahead and short the market here. And if you see some uh, reversal sign, you can buy here. On the other hand, if price goes up, surprisingly price goes up, okay, from here, okay, then you do not need to buy because the trend is not clear for the market. I'll be showing you on the chart. Okay, I'll be showing you on the chart. To make money on the market, we need discipline. Okay, and at least this is my analysis. I prefer to trade on the market from level to level. Okay, actually, if we trade from level to level, our risk to reward ratio matches. Okay, so the second important level for me is this line. In case market goes up, boom, like this. Okay, if market crosses this level, then it's a buy. If market crosses this level with good amount of volume, wait for again 1 or 2 hours, just see how the price reacts. Okay. If you see that the price is trading comfortably above the line, so that means that the resistance has become the support now. Okay, resistance has become the support. In that case, you can go ahead and place the buy order. On the other hand, if you see that market is struggling, the price is struggling near this range, and if it reverses from here with that, if you get a signal like this, okay, price reaction from above like this, then you can short the market here. As of now, you do not need to take any trade because let me show you. Okay, let me zoom out the chart. If we look at this particular portion only, then it seems the market is in sideways. Okay, but if I zoom out the chart, okay, you will see that market is in downtrend. Okay, overall trend of the market is not up, not sideways. Overall trend of the market is somewhat in the towards the downside. Okay, so there is a possibility that market will cross this level and go down further. So I'll say that this is not the ideal position to execute the trade. Okay, just wait for this level or this level. So this is the simple analysis for US dollar, Canadian dollar from my side for 12th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always bring videos daily so that I get to share my views with you and you get to make some profit from the market. Anyways, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Good luck. See you on Monday.